Hi Ramya, how are you?
Yeah, hi sir. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you. So first of all, many congratulations to you for getting selected in the product-based companies. So how do
Thank
you
you so
feel
much,
about it?
sir.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm very happy that whatever efforts and everything that I have put, it gave me a good results.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have learned a lot of things during this phase, and starting from my notice period, I'm about to reach I'm about to complete my notice period within a week. It's a tough and it's a fruitful journey, I would say, because I have gone through a lot of hard times where I've been rejected by many companies,
Oh.
and I have reached there are a couple of levels which each and every company conducted.
Mm-hmm.
uh, a hard times and a fruitful days.
Mm-hmm. So what was the notice period that you were serving?
It was 90 days notice period, so my
Mm.
company has 90 days. Before I started looking, applying jobs where I haven't even resigned. So by providing them, by saying them that I have 90 days, so many companies were not ready to take the interview because of my notice period. Only few companies came to me. I
Mm-hmm.
gave interviews, and in that one of the company, I got selected for one of the company, and then I put my resignation.
Mm. So when you were applying without even resigning from the current company, that means your notice period did not even start. Then,
Yes,
yeah, then how did your resume got shortlisted? That's very surprising.
because few companies came to me where they are doing a drive, and one of the company luckily one of the company came to me, and even their notice period policy is also 90 days.
Hmm.
Because of that reason they accepted me.
Okay.
Luckily, I have gone through 5 round of interviews for that company.
Hmm.
Yeah, by God's grace and due to my efforts and everything, I got selected in that. Later I resigned my company.
Hmm. Yes, yes, you have to resign, right? One day everyone has to resign. Okay. So you were telling 5 rounds of interview. And how many years of experience you have?
I have total 5 years of experience.
Hmm.
Uh, when I'm about to when I'm about to reach five from 4.9 4.8 years and 4.9, I started applying outside.
Hmm.
Yeah. By the time I completed 4.9 years of experience, I got that opportunity.
Hmm. Great, great. So what is the percentage, if you can tell, hike that you received in the multiple companies?
Like I had for the first company, I did not negotiate it because that was my first offer.
Hmm.
So according to standards, they gave me the 30% of hike.
Hmm.
Market standards, they gave me a market standard hike,
Great. And then the second company?
and I got 100% hike. When the second company have shortlisted me.
Great, great. So two companies and 30 and 100%. That's a great thing. So is it possible for you if you can share few of the interview questions that you would have got during this entire, you told 5 rounds of interview. So how was each interview round different from the another interview, and what were the questions that were asked?
In first 2 rounds, it was technical. The
Mm-hmm.
first round was they have asked everything related to manual testing, where
Mm-hmm.
I've been asked difference between sanity and smoke, and
Okay.
they have asked what is the difference between test plan and test strategy,
Mm-hmm.
and when do you do regression testing and when do you do retesting. So these are the few questions that they have asked. It was completely manual. It was a 20 minutes call.
Okay.
Later, the second round was completely technical, and it's completely automation, where I've been asked what is a random number, and I've been asked to explain the framework which was used in my current project,
Hmm.
and I've been asked regarding the TestNG XML file. What are the fields will be there in TestNG XML file,
Hmm.
and uh, and they have asked regarding locators. So
Hmm.
these are the few questions that they have asked me in second round, and in third round, which was managerial round,
Hmm.
and they have asked completely API architecture and architecture of our current application. It's related to business point of view.
Hmm.
So they have asked these questions, and they have asked Postman tool related questions like what are the kinds of methods that we are having in Postman, and how do you use authentication API key? Where do you get that API key?
Hmm. Okay.
And they have asked how comfortable you are working in like how comfortable you are working in second shift. Would you be able to take up and drive the call independently? So these are the few questions that I've been asked in. And next round is completely hiring managerial round,
Hmm.
where I've been asked general questions like regarding HR round related questions, and then I've been asked regarding how comfortable I am learning JavaScript.
Hmm.
If it is new, then how quickly I can learn.
Hmm.
And they have asked me like basically they're trying to they try to like understand how confident I am while
Hmm.
answering the questions.
Hmm.
So they have asked more behavioral related questions in hiring managerial round,
Hmm.
and the last round is HR discussion, which they have asked a few HR related questions like what are the strength, and what are the weaknesses that I am having, and how frequently I can I'll be able to like understand the environment, and how fast I can learn the business point of view, application related to business point of view, not technical point of view.
Hmm.
So these are the few questions that that particular product based company have asked.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. And the another company that you gave the interview, uh, s- the same questions or some additional questions were also asked.
Other company, that first round was a written test,
Mm-hmm.
which I have given. It's an assessment.
Okay.
So later that once I cleared that assessment, we had two 3 rounds total. So one is before going to HR discussion. So in technical round, they have asked me couple of, mostly related to uh, agile. What
Hmm.
are the types of agile methodology we are having?
Hmm.
So apart from the Scrum and Kanban dash, is there any other different types of methodologies that I am aware of that?
Hmm.
And they have asked how to get tooltip using Selenium,
Hmm.
and they have asked like a common manual testing questions like regression, retesting, and they have asked what's when do we do integration testing,
Hmm.
and coming to coding questions also, they have asked a few questions like sort an array and
Hmm.
remove the duplicates,
Hmm.
and they have asked we do have two list,
Hmm.
so we have to add the positions of those two lists,
Hmm.
and then we have to divide that particular number.
Hmm.
So we need to get if there is 100, if the sum of two digits is 100, we need to get third position. 100 is the value, so we need
Mm-hmm.
to print 1 as a value. If 97 is the value, we
Mm-hmm.
need to print 9 as the value. So this was the question that they have asked me.
Okay.
And if there is a sentence in a string,
Mm-hmm.
they have asked me to reverse to common word in the particular string, only that particular word. And and they have asked magic number.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the few technical questions that they have asked.
Great, great. Wonderful. So, how did you do preparation? So, you are having 5 years of experience, but despite that, you might be working. You were already working, you mentioned. And then, how did you prepare? How did you take your time out? What was your preparation strategy?
I used to work I used to work during my office hours, and whenever I get some break, like if anything that I do have some free time, so I used to log into my personal laptop, and then I used to prepare for that during weekends and during early morning. And then during once my work is done late night, I used to prepare, I utilize the time. So even though the time was I have taken a lot of time, like I have prepared 3 to 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
So I have taken the time, and then I have learned all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Once I felt okay, I'm confident enough, then I started applying for the jobs. I used Naukri and LinkedIn for applying the jobs.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, when you are telling Naukri and LinkedIn, so did you purchase the Naukri premium subscription account or LinkedIn premium account?
I did not purchased anything. I
Mm-hmm.
used a normal Naukri account, basic one, which is a free version. And then I started applying things, and whomever sent me an invite in Naukri, I used to send an emails with my resume.
Mm-hmm.
And even in LinkedIn also, whomever posted any job openings, I
Mm-hmm.
used to mail them. And some people used to send me the invitation that we do have this position,
Mm-hmm.
kindly apply. I used to apply it. So
Okay.
somehow I got a few interviews where
Mm-hmm.
I failed few interviews.
Mm-hmm.
I took it as a learning experience, and I have written down what are the questions that I was not able to answer, and I used to find out that answers for that.
Mm.
And I learned from everything.
Wonderful, wonderful. These days, people are telling that there are not much jobs available in the software testing. One should not go ahead with a career in the field of software testing. What is your thought process on that?
Like nowadays I have seen from 2023 September onwards, I'm seeing Naukri and LinkedIn.
Hmm.
During that phase, I'm not even I have seen there are no many there are not much openings are there.
Hmm.
But I have observed a little, like a change during February onwards.
Hmm.
Openings, like few openings, number of openings got increased comparatively 2023.
Hmm.
And during 20 once I resigned, during the second month, while completing my notice period during the second month, I
Hmm.
have seen that I received many calls.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have seen May and April are the days, are the, like during these 2 months I have seen a lot of openings are there during that
Hmm.
phase.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Even in Naukri portal I have seen a lot, there are many openings. At the same time, even in LinkedIn, a lot of people have posted
Hmm.
um, that requirements in their a particular company.
Correct, correct. So the job market has opened, especially if you will see the people who are having skill set of automation testing, who have actually worked with Selenium. Those people are getting more and more interview calls, more job opportunities as well. Earlier in September 2023, there were no jobs available, and the parallelly there were a lot of layoffs were also happening. Now, you mentioned very correctly, from February 2024, the job market has opened and it will be now going smooth. It will be going positive. Let's hope, like in the same thing. And many people have also come forward to share their success stories. So it's a very good positive sign. Uh, any last thing or any last suggestion that you would like to give to the testing community, to the people who are looking for job opportunities right now?
Okay, even though if anyone is failing in any interview,
Mm,
consider it as a learning experience, and uh, like go through what they have done wrong during that particular interview,
mm-hmm,
and learn the like learn the framework whatever they have done it, and see how the syntax and everything will be written in that particular. Consider BDD framework. In there we will be having the feature file. So there, what are the getting keywords that this was a mistake that I have done.
mm-hmm.
So where I have not able to explain that particular keywords properly in one of my interview.
Oh,
So due to that, I got failed, I got rejected, and
mm,
later I have learned properly, and then in another interview I performed well, where I
mm,
moved further rounds. Yeah, whatever the interviews that we are that we are having, if you are getting failed, consider it as a learning experience.
mm.
Write down the questions that they have asked us during that interview, and evaluate ourselves whether whatever the answer that I have given is correct or not. So using online source, or else taking any help of any mentor or anyone. So this will help us to self evaluate us. So this is the one thing that I followed in my entire interview process.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great, great. Yeah. So I think we are good, Ramya, with the information that you have shared. It will definitely motivate people to get the jobs, to prepare for the jobs, and to get and and to make a good career in the field of software testing. Right. Thank you so much, Ramya, for coming today,
Thank you, sir.
and yeah, and wish you all the best for your career ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.